Ladies and gentlemen, here is Marlon Marandi Nightmare TAPALES,
Murajan MJ AKHMADALIEV.
Bukas na nga mangyayari ang inaabangang laban ng mga Pinoy boxing fans, ang world title fight ni Marlon Tapales kontra defending unified champion Murajan AKHMADALIEV. Dalawang titulo ang nakataya dito, ang IBF at WBA Super Bantamweight title na hawak-hawak ni AKHMADALIEV. Di madaling kalaban itong tubong Uzbekistan na si AKHMADALIEV dahil bukod sa undefeated world champion ito ay isa din itong Olympic bronze medalist. Ito ang pang-apat niyang pagdepensa sa mga titulo. May kasalukuyan itong professional record na 11 wins, 0 loss, 8 dito via knockout. Habang impresibo naman ang record ng Pinoy na si Tapales na 36 wins, 3 losses, 19 via knockout. At bukod sa dati ding bantamweight champion itong si Tapales ay galing din ito sa 3 sunod-sunod na impresibong panalo via KO. Karamihan sa mga banyaga ay sinasabing easy fight lang daw ni AKHMADALIEV itong Pinoy, at kung titignan mo nga ang pustahan ay talagang dihado si kabayan. Pero di nila alam na handa sa kahit anumang laban ang Pinoy, di umaatras at umaayaw sa basagan ng mukha. Undefeated sa professional boxing itong si AKHMADALIEV, pero sa kanyang amateur career ay may Pinoy na din itong nakalaban. Ito ay sina James Palikti at Jade Bornilla. Base sa boxrec.com, taong 2017, naglaban sina James Palikti at AKHMADALIEV sa Thailand. Nanalo si AKHMADALIEV via unanimous decision. At taong 2012 naman ay una nang naglaban sina Jade Bornilla at AKHMADALIEV sa bansang Armenia. Panalo si AKHMADALIEV sa puntos. Pero noong taong 2013, nag-cross ulit ang landas ni na Jade Bornilla at AKHMADALIEV, at paniguradong magugulat ka sa malalaman mo na natalo ni Jade Bornilla itong si AKHMADALIEV via referee stopping contest. Kaya si Jade Bornilla na kasalukuyang top contender at undefeated Pinoy boxer natin ngayon, ang pinakaunang Pinoy na tumalo kay AKHMADALIEV. Wala tayong video na makuha sa laban ni na Jade Bornilla at AKHMADALIEV sa pangalawang laban nila, pero may nakita tayong video sa unang laban na kung saan ginanap ito sa Armenia.
And now we have our two competitors. 18 years old, Bornilla 17. 10-ounce gloves they're wearing, vest and head guards as always. Scoring shot is one that is thrown with either hand, obviously. But when the knuckle part of the glove makes contact with the front or side of the face or upper body above the belt, it's got to be a clean punch. No blocked or deflective shots count. That was a neat left hand there from AKHMADALIEV. It's been a busy start to the round for both of these two. Nice combination there from Bornilla. Beat England's National Elite champion Jack Bates in 16-12 in the last round. That was a good win for him. Trying to work the body with the left hand there, AKHMADALIEV. This category, the lightest category out of the 10. Of course, the tendency in amateur boxing is not issuing a warning. That's up a little bit. Trying to come in behind that. That's a good right hand from Bornilla though. That start to the day's competition. Advantage going into the third round. As the bell goes at the end of the third round, certainly. He's a bit wild at times, AKHMADALIEV, but at the same time, as I said, he's a pressure fighter. He comes now, he just wait for the decision. He's confident. We'll know what kind of a lead their man had going into the final round. And in the end, it's by a margin of 24 points to 15, so he took the final round as well, 6-3. And that sees AKHMADALIEV go into tomorrow's final at light flyweight.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.